if you want to fix guided access not working on iPhone, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead to the main settings, go to the accessibility, right? Scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna find right here the guided access. Make sure that you turn it off if you turn it on, and make sure that you turn it off again and reopen it once again. That should fix your problem. If it didn't, what you're gonna do, you're gonna force restarting your iPhone. Swipe down to your control center, and then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna see the shutdown button at the top right, or you can do the old-fashioned way, one volume up or down, and then click the screen lock with the other finger to basically force restarting your iPhone, and basically that should do it, and that should actually fix it. If it didn't, basically what you're gonna do, make sure right to double check if there is any new update on your iPhone. Go ahead to the software update, make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version. Now if you're still facing that issue, what you're gonna do, just go ahead and click transfer or reset iPhone, click reset, and you're gonna reset all settings, and then enter your password, of course, and then you're gonna be able to reset all settings, and that should fix it, right? And if you still facing that issue, what we're gonna do, we're gonna enable accessibility settings, right? Go ahead to the accessibility, right? In the settings, scroll a little bit down, right, to the guided access, and then make sure that you go to the accessibility shortcut, make sure that you turn it on, and that should fix it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.